Bagan, yeah, go ke, yeah, ni dong wan lo gente the go chala joy, ko ni dong wan ba kwe wan anong tazin, karam dong de go bada jol de ling, media, yeah, that was the good part, and the other part was jaida ba chataka confusion method, cha kui liang and ring in one. And katanda and tell us some of the videos. Take a positive part, karwaino kona chalat kataka negative part as well. And and a positive part ko positive part ke kuingwa nijen ajong kuila gwe yana tinisha ka ajana ngori na datu kanga right kada and but a negative part. So the negative part was ngan chachu bagat mari my immediate family, changu bagat ka gat daban chachu a community leaders and a community member, native did community changu choba kenba along kachiga guy along and chaati charwai kaka changa joba condition da gwa tel media and chitiri in one chiga banyam. So go on the right katin kanal cha joen charwai ke yana ka tung nora ma chima gwade ke charwai ke bad words ka to kawaide and sabila repeat ni ka career kon ko dia chabanga loithin right and watch charwai ke bad word nei dong kon ngal ka nga yang chuba kan directly kanariya dong kon cha language na na charwai ka social media chikka nga do dong la barar ka nga ko gwi kana dong chi go de jawa gwa ma dong de roi ka de roi ka roi me career di career kon dong chalat gwa ge dong chi go de jawa ka dong chi dun ka ya ro rep ka dong chi jen man dong da de long de roi ka roi me chi ka ke de la de chi ka dong de mo de me choba ka si ote me jem de thin lakini te la take the mande eno gwa la take the mande eno gwa la take the mande po pujan choko no ngwet man wer gan taba an ngad ba no ela ngwan mi chidel okay chala ngwan medit cha jo ne rieti ko ne jibra to da mulu rode chadal loithin okay cha yo de kap chung clearly injen chang yo my brothers de kap chung cha yo gad ka baba you speak bad word ka bad words you ko kumtin we don't speak bad word in our family career to baga niki these are Duop family rules. Can you baba you had broken family rules and jena kiro ni ti ko ne kila do chine berwaitin atame chicken on yal bakula tedi oko so right ma yala rekan chatal puri chaga receive kadong chicho na chaga balat cha yo ka cha yo do ba yin chi dam man do che won yam chi la ramadi kurun ka mana my participation ba ka kalat community man led way dan ba dio ka no ka dong ka mete ka language ma mi che ka no they luang na ko khen chada la joy ka no mo chagwe chala serious concern kana kon ya chine itlo da long ka chiang ti no ai chiang den ta kuran ching ge pe te ke ja chu bakan and je no chẳng chu bakan directly kana yang chu bakan indirectly yeah to dia lo chan chakangai and also my observation a quick video ni especially is no issues yeah chamat ke joke I did not intend it to be a wabala comedy right yani telling an intention even though they don't want me jagaran yang ram khuya me ya kamong kedaman method bang yogo I make them laugh okay la jana ka ba thok dol either golat among community mong na ke lu kulo ba ka thok dol ra ya no rai mi chi ben yang rai ma dong da je loai dai no ke dong da na ja ko tela ka moral la wana je o ba rai batan to something me de dol ke something me da loai na da ja tet again. So that has been my intentions, my good intention for years. Nimen gat ala kwana entertain. Chala na nigin one jindu begin comedians. Yeah. Lakin can participate as a comedian. Lakin comedian karwai ni pela. Karwai ni pela. Karwai ni peli. Kirwai ni tegaloai. Kirwai ni monga. Sasa. And then I just load comedy je comedy dong da kula pa ka wai ni ke tuk ni ko ke lakin ke chiang no ra ya na cher ke jidwali mi jira ma lungo bina la doal beloy na tes ke $1 beloy na gwa agin comedy either directly ki indirectly no matetin then and again then ideal ko nong cha my reactions here my word chakana can be positively it make them laugh and I remember take a wood kill me you jichi chimando are chilo ya chi jakate the long cha thok do the long ngen kay wood right so he has to share you know the feeling of his wife katana na dong cha right in a very funny way, yeah. Mono no just a positive side, kaje, karama anyo especially si matamando kara. And but they respect they thanks a lot, for accepting my reactions, yeah. Then ideal kondong chang misquoted ba. And and then there is no supposed to be snowing or falling. As snow has been was raining. Yeah, that was also a part of the comedy, right? A part of joke, right? I took it positive. Up to now, assassin to be honest. Ramade gagaje ki dong they lure me abusive, make intention to abuse me directly. Lanu we monte ramano yo de quel ramadong to me yaro makin kanaje. Yeah, well man kulaga konaji. Kajin maybe dong da rata do michi gagaran as you you les sometimes they lawyer la let along be go there and me along simple go te me yaro makin. Yeah, karamedong chang jaga balong. Yeah, lago no dong badwar bala dekan kanaran. Yeah, chang bi gada pingba. Charanda quest. Chang bi agway ran for good. Dar tolo chiranda quest. Ko chiran quest. Chi jina ngo yo nan chilo. Ilo dunije. Te du wandi lat ke jo ne cha. It's a gag, Jiramoni, Kiate Michaloki. Jen. As I'm responsible, take a room a little quenjo and a canaloid. Karaima, Jagwaka. They learn clearly, Kadawaloid. Right? Lakin, Conchicona cat. People are not the same. Take on a different feeling, take on a different emotion. You get it. China bell. Kone ideal chakoko. Tana you call the chaji, Kantana you call the changa. And Jen, Chadam wong and a guanichana. Kachadam one and each and nature could yell. Each other lot we mourn. Ko a young call the changa managing, you know. Any. You know, in Conmon Kiangang, but positively, she my Ruana Kachalo Junior Yates in one way or another. And then, they Joba, thank you for being positive. She may tell a changadano, may tell a changadano, this year, thing that may seem to be impossible, they get turned into possibility. Me negative, they turn into positive, right? Yeah. So this you can throw. Candy I'll take a thing. I believe comment one bag I burn terminal, especially like Yamai Kai. She believe we're going to be do. We Yachamawa manidamane.com musba manager. Yamai Kaiba. Lada yo Duop Filamidur. Teramiju quell. Directly, it's true. And we know there and they quest. Queer, mud, no Teramanga or Corade. The Dangai in a condom chimney kelkonaga. Right? I Major Dolo, La Golden Ela Conran, Mayan, Danela Capron. Daniel Winyo Marva another time. So, a pretty Ramio quest, Numare, Ninyakai. Yanamare.com, Yan Managadia Nania, Nyakur, Yandial, Nania, and then Natum one take a positive comment. A fourth, the Medin Micha, Teramacha, Quest, Metro, and Jena. Yeah, like Kinde do a human being, they do let Karan, the name we walk around. Any Maloya. A read to con the banancherong egg Ranta Jang a Gina Altaban. She made me to her. Most of the time, I try to suit like this. Get tired. Okay. Jangan Kaje, lady one. Tan anyone, bang you do, but you dress well. I like your dress. And then I remember there was a young man from Australia. That was in 2009. You write Shimani, you're going to tire and grow. Chagoko. So, Bakaja would your do I like his dress. So, I got Shimani. Swagajanga Kanaka Juba. And Jen. Tabaran, Tan, and Chai. And Chai, I could get another. Right? Michia Bagera mud. A chunk to the Mijami to. Lawa don't take me to Hoji. Shingan, the dress. Allow quite a dress because you know one. Right? She will go. Because you guardian could dress in the cooking. I can't turn on Chang like a jenas. Okay? I can't turn on young like a jenas. Chang you did and they continue. Kaye. For don't tell me, tell me, Geometry, make it know. Right? Don't again long day with canard. And then otherwise, Nanter am here quit. Tell me, Geometry. Angarama. Ta self control morong chana criticize maja do lokaran mera manna bai chop bakrai ko naje manga veje kamera maja da long karai kade roi karama mar ke je kira manga je de jo ramen anime suppose which are just chicken ideal ba in a better rare cases yeah what I interfere in matter. Go but I'm doing bad bozzer man we go again. So and I'm on a situation I see clear wasn't the alakin I admit I will read like make sure god damn it oh damn it, you know, she come on kanga, and re ro an ring one. Chao we don't let our in when and or don't let in my like about the tongue wasn't ya the Michu Kori the Michi define like a dictionary in Tam. Very hard to understand. Yeah, not a bad word. Yeah, but another way, they should get surprise. Yeah, Michi, the Michi, the Michi, the Michi Gloria to she is suspect, she expect go that to. And you did my dear. Yeah, tongue wasn't. Yeah. Nay the ngay the ngay can go don't you are just you might be joking. Kini the quick don't agree or don't you are promoting some bad word. I jen mera ude a cha video channel chara mo ke be ne TikTok injeno chara ta ke ride okay yara mo ke ride ya ne kan jacket ma me joy chit ke dia tin and then I was just relaxing in my living room now, and then I decided to sing. Actually, I did a free, you know, freestyle kind of thing. Fuck it, you know, kajora bang. Not a music that too, the real music, music and until pum. Yeah, no baling le jombar are idu. Me Georgia Laura baling very clearly without instruments. Mulungi ke kede me yekanamo. Is a big effort. Ko ba dangal wallo ine nuku. And music na ngori and she organize ko go be share ganas ka dong da tina da ger ke ching kon ka ta ching kon ta ka en jeno ani ko dong chi video nan chabela baralong cho comment kun cha kanel nya kai ni nya mai honorable call banana ye en chi mar dial yes changwa there is nothing wrong of saying god damn yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Anu aja nala itu no mo. Ya dengan bangun kaya ke social media barai kaya. Okay. Barai kaya la rame elder. Ya barai kaya rama major ke community for so long. We take national participations throughout my lifetime. I think now we be joy kiba participate in national issues where to in 205 up to now kan yentin enjena arama chi jore chaware we ya dong da rajen ani ajen gwa dong de matin mo ketong no ra based on dana na ja chup nga enjena de laro cha apology chatobia come nong right mi chen ma ke jeo ngan la ngia god ko let us also tries to not promote some bad word in the family level or in the community level no me angai ke god ka me right ma chalet chi kana go chi dong cha my family rule cha ke break and plus roy no kone ala na hindi no kone yang chupi katara ni chabla ni mention ana ken kon dong de matin ma kutok no ra ngane de laro malish bana ko kon yam chabe yen ka social media ngoda ba to kon dot rodin kanas especially on social issues ba share bangod ba dit ka bangod ma ka de ka social media katok da bang ke instruments ngora ba banywa ke yakel yeah I have like Tidal Red we love you bro that's true man I appreciate yeah I really feel your love and I actually love you back we have like Nial Either Core yeah I also salute you my brother yeah there's a big love there's high connections, high level of connection between me and you guys. Yeah, for a very long time. Ngan ajan long de Mariana mo. Chajoy ka social media 226. Takel ke ye. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah. Me situation environment gua Rongoda Narway Barway. And Kapong Janong de Martin Lamo. So briefly to those of you who may not speak Nuer, yeah, those are my friends. I have a good number of friends and a fellow countrymen, and even from other national. I actually noted one of my colleagues. He was from Afghanistan. I saw him before, Mr. Zakir. Yeah, has been my good friend from the workplaces. Yeah, so I just want to say it. Yeah, I've been in social media for the past week, and I've shared a couple of videos. Many of the videos went so viral for so many reasons. Yeah, but we hope it was for the best. My showing up, this year on social media, getting back to my feet, getting back to music, getting back, into community and national spotlight, trying to share my opinion as usual. So it has been exciting. Yeah, it has been a very wonderful moment. So I believe we have achieved a lot. Yeah, together, and in fact, I've been telling you that we have. I've been. A lot of people believe that I've won. have won a lot of issues, like issue of snow. The snow issue was a big issue, right? And even today, I received the news that somebody died in Atlanta, Georgia. You see, yeah, because of the snow. Yeah, it wasn't the snow like the way I was in the snow, without me covering myself fully. That's what she was ignoring, the danger of the snow. That is the same things I've done last time. Yeah, and then today I've realized that somebody went missing, and I've received so many information that it is a national disaster. Okay, and that need individual effort, community efforts, and a country effort like the United States. Up to now, people don't have light, no internet. Okay, a lot of things are shut down, and most of these things are very important for our life. So, in the process of my participation and sharing all this crucial information on social media, so some of my family members, became very concerned, especially when I shared some of the terms of the word, which were not commons in my normal conversation with so many people, right? So my family members and some of friends, even my own children, be like, I've been promoting some bad word in the community, and I shouldn't have done that. They say it's not my level anymore, right? Yeah, so it raised a minor or a big concern, which actually brought me today live in social media, my Facebook page, try to come and make some clarifications on the issue that had happened. So I just want to say it, if I caused any inconvenience or I offended anybody, whether I have no intentions. So I just want to say it, I have my apology. Yeah, I'm very sorry about that. So I didn't have a bad intention for anybody. So I just been so excited for getting in touch, with my friends, family members, people who believe in my music, people who had supported me for so long in my music industry. Yeah, so I was just excited, trying to get back to you guys, and then turning that situation, that dangerous situation, into fun, creating an environment that make all of us smile, despite that we have been going through a national disaster in the United States. is no issue, is not something minor, because it took people life. Some people are still missing up to now. Yeah, but everybody has the responsibility to show up, you know. And that's what I have done. So I came out, try to share some of the information about the snow, the dangers that come with the snow. Yeah, then but the way I did it, I took it in a joking way, you know, trying to make fun of the snow. Yeah, that's where I even said snow was raining when the snow was snowing and falling. That was how people, you know, know news about the snow. So the how I took it, and then yeah, and with excitement from my music fans across the globe. Yeah, and then it brought a mixed reaction. Yeah, and that has concerned some of my family members, some of the people who knew me. They thought it has something to destroy me, or to, you know, to make me look bad in the front about people, which might not be the case. Yeah, I'm a public figure, right? Everybody can say anything about me, right? Yeah, and that cannot change me, you know, because nobody, and let me tell you this, nobody has a power to destroy you. Yeah, the easiest way for you to get into destruction is from you, right? The way you manage yourself, okay? The way you know, you manage your life, right? So this is how you can easily get destroyed. Yeah, if you fail on the management, on people around you, people who live their life with you. But if the people be like trying to bring issues and bringing you down, they cannot. Because they don't have power over you, but you have power over yourself. So with all of those, with all of that, both positive and a negative aspect of my reaction or my participations a few days ago regarding the snow, I speak some word which were not commons in my way of life. So it took some of my people, it became a surprise to some of my people. Yeah. So that's why I came out and tried to forward my apology, and that I'll remain in my regular way, or if there's another way I can adjust, I will also appeal to you. Okay, let us also be willing to bring some change for the interest of other people. Yeah, and again, my dress, all right. In the United States here, especially when you are in your own house, you feel you are relaxing, and it's not like South Sudan where you don't have a privacy. No privacy in South Sudan, because your brother will be here, your sister will show up, people will just one house, like in my house in Juba, or like in your house, you may have a lot of people in your house. You can even share rooms with 2 to 3 people. Yeah, but in the Western world, you might have your own rooms. Okay, so it's very easy for you to be alone, and you are alone. You can dress very easily, because even for someone to come and pay you a visit, definitely they may give you a call, or they may inform you before they get into your residence. So, but back home, and there's no permission for someone to come to your home. Even knocking at the door alone is not even expected, right? So that's all I can share right now. I've seen you guys. You came in a big number, right? I appreciate, right? I'm still with you, and I will be with you. Yeah, I'm grateful that I've recovered and I've discovered, where my fan base now when I check into Facebook, the Facebook might be like, oh, might be like communicating to you, trying to tell you where a lot of people might be following you. It might be from US here, or from Canada, or from Australia, or from Juba back home, or from Ethiopia. They are telling you. Even now, I know where there are a lot of people that are following me. Yeah, but I'm still yet trying to develop my fan base. So even if some places are still low right now, it might be because they might not be aware of where I live or my official social media page. Yeah, they are yet to discover, all right, and to reconnect with me one more. I've seen so many people, so many famous faces. We've been my good friend for years. I thank you. Good to see you. Yeah. Let's get back together on the social media, and let's give one another a call. Let's check on one another. Right? That's what it means to be a friends and to be a family members. Yeah. There's a few things I believe I already spoke a lot and for too long. I would like to stop from here. Ngande yo charway along. Kache nen along kachi abray one along. Yenay one ngay thankun guamabar na thankun chaka changkel guamabar ya de yo an chilo da tez ko che chana da nyoko je ka jero na ya nay one ko yo gon an tatin taka social media to page one thanken la de ken go ken thanken la ngan lakin chaka use lakin my social media page mi use and tam go ba continue ko je ejene me Duop bani ta sur da tin kon gar ga ni tieni ka jok to mi ta tur da tin kon damanda ni Duop du or legendary NBA star. Yeah, is a good guy. Yeah, and jen go dong de petin de ne lo rồi đó qua ko chi a chuk de joni ye ka ban ro ko pal ban lo lên ni tu ko kien ke rami ma da thoi ba thoi ko dong da lo le run ya ya ko te mal ko te ke le. Thank you, love you so much, stay blessed.